Hello. In this video I'm gonna take a brief look at the various modules that are used in the layout for constructing this website corymiller.com. So the best tool to observe the div structure of any web page is Firebug. It is a Firefox add-on, and after installing that add-on we just have to press F12 to bring up Firebug, and this is like an X-ray for the web page. So let's take a look here. So the layout which is used for the home page of this website, the first module is a widget bar module. As we can see here, it says builder module widget bar, and if we further go inside, we can see that there are two sidebars. In the first sidebar, the nav widget, the custom menu widget has been placed, and in the right side sidebar the search form is being displayed, search widget. Okay, now coming to the second module, this is the content module, which, as you can see, let me just move it like this, is here. And if we observe the CSS for that, we can see that its position has been set to absolute, and it's set to appear 105 pixels from the top. If I set this to 0, you can see that it starts from the top of the web page. So to push it down, a value has been given like so. And also it's been positioned 80 pixels from the left. So if I make it 0, it's gonna go to the left. Okay, and coming to the third module, this is a widget bar module which has 4 sections or 4 columns. This is the first column, this is the second one, this is the third, and this is the fourth. Okay, and then this is the widget bar module which has 2 columns. In the first column sidebar, this piece of text is placed, the Twitter, and in here we have the email subscription widget, and the last one is the footer module, and which, as we can see, again is its position is set to fixed, and because of this fixed position CSS property, it's gonna always appear on the screen regardless of whether we scroll up or down. And since the z index of 1000, a higher value is specified, it's gonna appear on top of all the other modules. Okay, so you might be wondering as to where this photo of Cory Miller is appearing and how come it is always fixed. So as you can see, outside of the container, okay, see, outside of this container, at the same level as the container, is the div, and this particular div, inside this div is this image placed. When I place my cursor, you can see it's a 1500 by 1100 image, and its height is specified and the position is set as absolute, with left value as 0 and top value as minus 294 pixels. So let's just comment this out and see what happens. Okay. And two other things that I want to mention is that to make a website like this is possible. To making a website like this is possible if you make all the module wrappers full width. And to do that, we have an entry in our wiki. If you go to ithemes.com/codex and then you go to builder tips and tricks, then you can see one section here which says how to make all the modules full width. So you have to just add this piece of code in your child themes functions.php, and then that will make all the wrappers of all the modules full width. Okay, and as to how to have a piece of code outside of the container, we have that also covered in the codex. If you go to our builder codex and go to tips and tricks, and go to this particular section which says how to add code just before the opening body and just before the closing body element. And here you can see you can basically use this piece of code, and whatever code that you want to appear before the closing body tag. So this is the code which will appear outside of the container at the same level as the container. Okay, hope you found this video helpful. Bye.